In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating Google Drive server encountered an error. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with some initial quick fixes. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. One of the first things you can try is refreshing the page. A quick reload can often resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. So, go ahead and hit that refresh button. Next, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Google Drive to work properly. Try toggling your Wi-Fi off and on to see if that helps. Additionally, if you are using a particular network, consider switching to a different one, or even restarting your router can sometimes clear up any connection issues. If those quick fixes don't do the job, let's move on to isolating any potential browser issues. A good place to start here is using incognito mode. This is a great way to check if any browser extensions, ad blockers, or maybe even old cookies are interfering with your experience on Google Drive. Simply open Google Drive in this private window and see if the issue persists. If you're still having problems, the next step would be to clear your cache and cookies. These are stored data that might be corrupted or outdated. You can do this by going into your browser's settings, finding the option to clear browsing data, and then selecting Cache and Cookies. Once you've done that, restart your browser and give Google Drive another try. Another option is to switch browsers entirely. If you're using Google Chrome and the error continues to pop up, try accessing Google Drive through a different browser like Firefox or Edge. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can be the root cause, and switching things up can offer a solution. If you're still stuck, let's manage some Google account settings. If you use multiple Google accounts simultaneously, this could be causing conflicts. A good practice is to sign out of all your accounts. Then log back in only to the account you need for Google Drive. This can help eliminate any confusion or conflicts between accounts. Now, if you're using the desktop app for Google Drive, you might want to troubleshoot that as well. Try restarting the Drive for Desktop application. Close it entirely, then reopen it. This can help refresh the connection to Google's servers and may resolve the issue. Finally, if none of these steps have worked for you, there could be a problem on Google's end. To verify this, check the Google Workspace Status dashboard. This will show you if there's a known outage or any scheduled maintenance happening. If there is an issue on Google's side, sometimes the best solution is simply to wait a few minutes for them to resolve the problem. There you have it. Those are some effective steps to fix the Google Drive server encountered an error message. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a smooth experience with Google Drive moving forward.